Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla panel gap or fit issues on delivery and the likely reasons that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, owners may notice uneven panel gaps, misaligned body panels, or inconsistent fitment at the time of delivery. These observations can include differences in spacing between doors, fenders, trunk, or hood panels. The issue does not affect all vehicles and varies by model, production period, factory location, and inspection outcomes. Panel gaps are primarily a cosmetic and fitment concern rather than a direct indicator of vehicle safety or performance. Verified information shows that one documented reason involves manufacturing tolerances and assembly variation. Vehicle body panels are produced and installed within defined tolerance ranges, and small deviations can occur during high-volume production. Another verified factor involves transportation and handling after assembly. Panel alignment can shift slightly during shipping, loading, or unloading before delivery, especially if final adjustments are not performed at the delivery center. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior handling, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified technician or delivery service team should be consulted for vehicle-specific evaluation. Production ramp periods have also been reviewed as a contributing factor. During periods of increased output or new model introductions, quality control processes may be adjusted to maintain production flow, which can result in higher variability in panel alignment on some vehicles. As a possible contributing factor, incomplete pre-delivery inspection or missed final alignment checks could be related in some cases, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Corrective actions described in verified information typically involve inspection and adjustment of affected panels. Tesla service centers can realign doors, hoods, trunks, or fenders to improve fitment when the condition falls outside acceptable standards. In some cases, panel replacement may be considered if alignment cannot be corrected through adjustment. Reviewed information indicates that panel gap or fit issues at delivery are not universal across all Tesla vehicles. Many vehicles are delivered without noticeable concerns, while others may show cosmetic alignment differences influenced by production timing or handling. In conclusion, Tesla panel gap or fit issues on delivery are generally linked to manufacturing tolerance variation, production volume factors, or handling before delivery rather than a structural defect. The issue varies by vehicle, and resolution depends on proper inspection and service adjustment. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.